hopefully well insulated as well. We'll think about that when the hot weather starts to hit, but we've got a cold front and big storm coming our way.
Yeah, this is going to be a doozy, Nicole and Yetta. This is good for us. We definitely need that moisture here in the desert. And are we seeing any moisture right now? Pretty quiet, as you can see in the valley. But up north, starting to see some flurries take place. And yeah, we're going to be live for all the evening shows. And tomorrow morning, you definitely want to watch Good Morning Arizona with some of the snow we're expecting in the morning hours and throughout part of the day tomorrow. We'll continue to see snow showers, and wait till you see the snow totals we're expecting. Wind speeds, pretty amazing. Another windy night tonight. You can see 38-mile-per-hour winds in Kingman, strong winds in Flagstaff. Look at Show Low, and I'm going to take you to our closest camera towards Show Low. This is the PINETOP-Lakeside area. We had some trees swaying in the winds out there, and boy, you saw that sustained wind up to 52 miles per hour. Pretty incredible. We're sitting at 45 in Show Low, 29 below freezing in Flagstaff, mid-60s here. And the culprit of all these changes is a big dip in the jet stream, this large area low pressure. Look at all that moisture associated with it. And as it continues to move to the east, it's going to bring with it cool air and some snowfall in the high country. And oh boy, this snow is going to be very beneficial for the drought situation here across our state. How much snow are we expecting? Well, let's send it over to Royal Norman, and he's going to cover that aspect of the forecast.
All right, Paul. Yeah, it looks pretty good right now. Our models are in agreement that we're going to see a whole bunch of snow out there. Might be some variations in the amount, but here's one of our more conservative looks, and this is just over the next 24 hours. And look at that. It's got 15 inches for Flagstaff. Is that crazy? About a foot of snow at Heber and at Payson. Could be just shy of a foot of snow at Prescott. And other areas that just aren't included in cities along the Mogollon Rim could end up equaling somewhere around 18 inches of snow. So it looks like it's going to be pretty significant. Now, if you're driving up I-17 tomorrow, we sort of plotted out an elevation map so you can tell how much snow at what elevation. Cordis Junction, about 3,700 feet, 2 to 4 inches of snow. A Highway 169 exit, 4 to 8 inches there. But then you dip back down into Camp Verde, maybe a couple, 3 inches at Camp Verde. Come back up the hill, the Sedona exit, 6 to 10 inches of snow there. And then you start getting on top of the hill at Munns Park and Flagstaff, and that's when you're starting to talk about some pretty crazy numbers, up to 20 inches of snow or maybe even more. But one of the big questions is, we know it's coming. What's the timing going to be, Paul?
Well, let's time it out for us here, Royal. You can see with this the latest model here, there's that low. That's going to trek towards the east. And you can see Wednesday morning. This is mainly a morning event when it comes to moisture here in the valley. But look at all that snow up north in the high country, all along the rim. It's going to fall from Flagstaff, it looks like, out towards the Payson area and continue throughout the day. Things start to taper off when it comes to rainfall here in the valley by 5 o'clock in the afternoon. So in the afternoon, we'll see a few clouds out there, but notice still some snowfall up in the high country tomorrow afternoon, and then things clear out on Thursday. How much rain are we talking about? Well, a lot of models indicating we could see about 1/10 of an inch to about 1/4 of an inch of rain here in the valley. Loving that. And look at all that moisture falling up north in Flagstaff, Payson, and the Show Low area. That's why we're going to see such amazing amounts of snow totals up north. Temps in the morning, lower 50s. We're going to hit a high tomorrow in the mid-50s. Yeah, it's going to be cool tomorrow. 54 degrees. Look at the low, ladies. We're going to drop down to 38 degrees to start out the day on Thursday. Temps still well below average. We'll hit a high of 58 on Thursday. Sun returns Friday, high of 66. And it looks like a pretty nice weekend. 71 Saturday and mid-70s on Sunday. Unbelievable.